Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0123 refers to the throttle position sensor A circuit experiencing high voltage. The throttle position sensor, TPS, plays a crucial role in measuring the position of the throttle plate, which directly affects engine performance and fuel efficiency. Located within the throttle body, the TPS sends voltage signals to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, to indicate the current throttle position. This information is vital for the PCM to adjust fuel delivery and ignition timing for optimal engine performance. A high voltage reading above the normal threshold indicates a malfunction, typically leading to poor engine performance or erroneous reading of throttle position. Proper diagnosing is essential to pinpoint the exact cause of the issue, which could lead to further engine complications if neglected. The DTC P0123 indicates an issue with the throttle position sensor A circuit, registering a high voltage. The throttle position sensor A is a key component within the throttle body, where it continuously measures the angle of the throttle plate. By sending voltage signals to the PCM, this sensor provides critical data for adjusting engine performance. With high voltage readings, the PCM may miscalculate throttle response, leading to various engine performance issues. The normal operational threshold for this sensor is around 0.5 to 5 volts. Deviating from this range signifies a malfunction. Thus, correct diagnosis and verification of the fault are essential for restoring optimal vehicle performance. Potential causes for the DTC P0123 generally include poor electrical connections or loose terminals at the throttle body or the PCM. These loose connections might lead to intermittent voltage transmission, causing erroneous readings. Furthermore, a malfunctioning throttle body itself could send inaccurate voltage signals, impacting the sensor's reliability. Lastly, while less common, a faulty PCM could also create issues with signal interpretation, resulting in incorrect evaluation of throttle position. Hence, ensuring that both the throttle body and its connections are in good condition is paramount for troubleshooting effectively. Symptoms of DTC P0123 may manifest as poor acceleration, where the vehicle fails to respond adequately to throttle input. Drivers might also experience erratic idling, with the engine fluctuating between high and low RPMs unexpectedly. Often, the check engine light illuminates on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a potential issue that requires attention. Additional symptoms could include stalling or an uneven engine response during various driving conditions. It is essential to recognize these symptoms promptly to prevent further engine complications or safety concerns while driving. For the initial troubleshooting step, start by turning the vehicle ignition to the on mode without starting the engine. This allows the onboard systems to initialize. Next, use the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, to clear the DTC from the system memory. This is an essential step, as it prepares the system for new troubleshooting and allows for the monitoring of fresh parameters. After clearing, check the throttle position sensor A voltage parameters with the HDS. The value should indicate a voltage exceeding 4.8 volts for potential circuit issues, and depending on the results, proceed to the next appropriate troubleshooting step. If the issue duplicates, this confirms the need for further investigation. In this step, verify if there are any pending or confirmed DTCs present in the HDS. Look specifically for DTCs P0123 and P0223, as the presence of both may indicate a common issue. If both DTCs are present simultaneously, proceed to Step 5, which focuses on checking the SG3 line. If only DTC P0123 is present, move to the next part of the troubleshooting steps. This process helps narrow down the fault area, allowing you to concentrate on connections and components directly associated with the TPS A circuit. Exploring these parameters is crucial to ensure that additional faults are not overlooked. Turn the vehicle to the off-lock mode before proceeding to this step. Disconnect the throttle body 6P connector to isolate the throttle position sensor from the system. With this connector removed, turn the vehicle ignition to the on position. Measure the voltage between test point 1 at the throttle body 6P connector number 6 and body ground. This reading should be near 5.0 volts. If it matches, this indicates a successful signal path, and you should proceed to replace the throttle body. If it deviates significantly from this expected value, additional troubleshooting steps will be necessary, leading to further electrical inspections of wire circuits connected to the system. Begin this step by ensuring the vehicle is off, and then use the HDS to jump the SCS line, which stands for Service Check Signal. Disconnect the PCM connector B51P, as this will isolate the PCM from the system for accurate testing. With both the throttle body 6P connector disconnected and the PCM isolated, check for continuity between test point 1 at the throttle body connector number 6 and test point 2 at PCM connector B number 46. Success in continuity confirms that the THL1 line is in good condition. If the line has continuity, ensure that the PCM is updated with the latest software before concluding the troubleshooting. Conversely, should continuity fail, repairing the wiring between the throttle body and PCM is necessary. For this last troubleshooting step, turn the vehicle off and repeat the procedure of jumping the SCS line with the HDS. Disconnect both the PCM connector B51P and the throttle body 6P connector as part of the isolation process. Check for continuity between test point 1 at the throttle body connector number 3 and test point 2 at PCM connector B number 49. If continuity is confirmed, it further indicates that the SG3 wire is functional. If the connection is intact, updating the PCM with the latest software is recommended, or replacing it with a known good unit may resolve the DTC. However, if there's no continuity, identifying and repairing any break or fault in the SG3 wire is critical to restoring normal function. After completing all necessary repairs, it is vital to confirm the clearance of the DTC P0123. Use the HDS to ensure that the DTC no longer appears in the system. Conduct a test drive to verify the vehicle's performance under various driving conditions. This is crucial to check for any further issues or signs of malfunction. During the test drive, monitor the vehicle's response to throttle input closely. An effective repair will result in smooth operation with no erratic behavior or check engine light illumination. Finally, ensure all connectors are securely seated to prevent future issues. To prevent issues like DTC P0123 from recurring, regular maintenance of electrical connectors is essential. Ensuring all connections are free from dirt, corrosion, and moisture significantly decreases the likelihood of faults. Cleaning the throttle body periodically aids in enhancing its functionality, as buildup can impede sensor performance. Additionally, maintaining the PCM with regular software updates prevents faults that might arise from older programming, especially relating to sensor sensitivity. These measures not only prolong the lifespan of components, but also ensure overall vehicle reliability through optimal performance. To conclude, troubleshooting DTC P0123 effectively involves verifying the function of the throttle position sensor and ensuring the electrical connections around it are secure and intact. Following the outlined steps helps diagnose and mitigate issues related to high voltage readings in the TPS circuit. Regular preventive maintenance practices, such as cleaning connectors and the throttle body, as well as ensuring that the PCM is updated, play a vital role in avoiding future complications. By staying proactive in vehicle care, you can enhance engine performance and reliability while minimizing the risk of unforeseen issues. Overall, attention to this circuit will lead to a smoother driving experience for Honda Fit owners. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.